whanau au eki. Whakatapu ke pule ako pia makau whai ako o Rowandale. Whakatapu ke matua o kātau whanau ko mōna ko mai ke tau whakatawa I alani. O kuo kore ke u whakaatu I he ngahi whakatapu ko osi nawe ki ai. Kaya tā mua mou te mātoru te mau whakaapa-apa mo whakamau ingai whakatawa o Manurewa o lea Faka-Tonga. Ko hoki mua, ko nitu ki wā whakakuru kei tau, pia ko au tau te taki e tau whakakalama I alani. Whakataha mo te kasi tatu te kuiwhinau mo lusinga batai.
Koe tau moa, koe lea Faka-Tonga ki e tauni, koe tau hiwa, koe whe unu, mahuinga, ia ki he moe aitanga. Our music is a vital strand of our Tongan culture. The purpose of the theme is to acknowledge and celebrate the Tongan language, culture and community. Mr. Watson, Mr. Naidu, Board of Trustees, special guest teachers and families of Rowandale School, we welcome you as we open up the celebration of Tongan Language Week. Please stay seated as we sing Uike Goe Ofa Ouau.
We'll begin our program with an opening prayer. Please bow your heads and close your eyes. O toa mafi, koe mau te mai whakaewani, o ko mau whakamālo mo whakawhetai I hoa o wha, a whiona I hoa o wha, awa o wha, mai tauhi ko ke whai mahi mātou. O ko mau whakaiki ho hua wha, mā oni oni, he o ku ta e ngaka ho o awa o wha ma o ngani. Eki, o ko mau whakamālo atu I he aho mahu ngani, pe mai Uike mahu inga ko e ni, o ku tau whakamana tua ai. Ai Uike o le Faka-Tonga ki Aotearoa. Tokoni ki mautoro ke mo whakaapa-apa, whakamauingai, te puke ma upe a hokau a Faka-Tonga. Kai uhi ke hoko atu ana tuku ki e ngai to o tangata ka hoko mena. Eki, o ku mau hapai atu e mau whanau ako ki ho alo, ke maru ki nga tonu, tataki ki nga tonu, ta whaki ki a te ki nga tonu. Ai poto, ilo me loto whakaapapa I e ngā ako mo ui whakaapa. Te a te he whaka. Tō mau kore ki te whakakina e pōre ako, ka whai ako, ka ngau ko tō te, Amen.
Step back and take a look at our promotion video.
Music is my life. Without music, life would be boring. It's the oxygen, it's what keeps us alive.
Performing Tongan music is what connects me to my Tongan roots. Performing music, or even just Faka-Tonga, I feel like that's the foundation of what makes me Tongan, makes me who I am.
For me, being Tongan, I'm very blessed.
I had been sort of raised on music from all sort of aspects of the Tongan culture, so way from us to Uike.
Music and language is very important, I think. Can't speak as Manurewa, very song.
Well, music is my life. Without music, life would be boring. It's the
Sit back and enjoy our Tongan music video.
This year's theme is Gadang Kiva with the Ulu Makuinga Ia Kia Mo'uia Tonga.
Our music is a vital strand of our Tongan culture.
The start was filming with the opening ceremony on Monday the 13th of August at 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Hello to you, joining with our Tongan music. Let us naturally write, sing along together and join in the fun. Let's learn and celebrate the Faka-Tonga through music and song.
Singing, dancing, and glorifying God. Celebrating our Tongan culture where music and song bring us together, share faith, and keep our tradition. Our people team to Ulako, we definitely felt like we were taking higher to the heavens with those dance moves. Please stand up for our national anthem. Sit down. We proudly declare and announce the start of Tongan Language Week 2026.
Manurewa, Rowandale School. We have another round of applause, please, for our Tongan students. I'm not sure when you were told you were allowed to clap at the end of a performance. I'm not sure when you were told that you were allowed to shout out people's names. I'm being very confident right now. So I do not expect to see that again. They beautifully appear. Amazing video. You know, people shouting out their names. If you're not the mom, you're not allowed to shout the name. If you're not the dad or the family, you're not allowed. Yeah, excuse me. But I had to say, one of the largest groups at Rowandale School is our Tongan group, our Tongan community. And we have a Samoan unit, we have a Maori unit, we have a Uike unit. But we don't have any Tongan teachers. But I don't want to just start a Tongan unit if we don't have it. So if you've got any cousins, if we ever put it out there, the Tongan community have for years asked me to start a Tongan unit. But we don't have it. They ran away to Australia. We had a few of them. Yeah, we had 2 teachers that we had earmarked for this beautiful unit. But if I look up here, you've got treasures. The last statistics at the stats show that the Tongan language is spoken by the most under 16-year-olds in the country. But that is changing, as you know in your families. The Tongan language is strong, but it's as strong as these ones being able to speak the next generation. So that's the challenge. Lots of Tongans in here too. Put your hands if you are not Tongan. That's beautiful. You could never tell looking at them that they were not Tongan. And that's the same. So, the challenge is there. This week, I want to see every class. No exceptions. No exceptions. Making sure that they do a video. Making sure that every child at the school can say Manurewa back to me when I say it to them. One child said it today. But that wasn't the test. No more. If I hear any of you voting when you're not supposed to, or shouting out names, we'll make sure we let our parents go and then I'll talk to you properly. Yeah? Sitting up straight. Don't disrespect them. Speakers at the beginning, you were excellent. Come here. I wanted to hear your beautiful opera singing. You're walking on Friday, Thursday, on Friday. You'll be jamming your holding the mic like that. Yeah? Good feel. Looks so good.
Thank you, parents and caregivers, for joining us today. Malo akito homonafa mai, kamame a. Please quietly turn and face your teachers.